All right, I'm sitting on the Lull mattress. The Lull mattress is a 10-inch memory foam mattress. What I like about it is it's a deceivingly simple design. There's literally hundreds of 10-inch memory foam mattresses on the market, but what Lull has done is they've added the layers correctly. They added the right densities of foam to make this a foam mattress that is responsive, so it doesn't sink in too much. It recovers pretty quickly, but it also contours well. It just strikes a really good balance. A queen size retails for $800, so it's a pretty middle of the road price, not too expensive, not the cheapest either, but it is made with premium materials. It's all made in the USA. It has a nice, soft, breathable cover. Like I said, 3 layers of foam. It has a great trial period. It comes shipped in a box very quickly. Has very efficient shipping materials, very efficient packaging materials, less of an environmental impact. You get just a decent amount of sink on it as well. Because it's a memory foam mattress, it doesn't have as much motion transfer either. I reviewed the Lull a couple of years ago, and this is my 2018 review. Just as good as I remember it to be, and stands out among all the others that have come after it within those 2 years. One other thing is I'm sitting on the Lull foundation. This is a wooden foundation that you can buy directly on lull.com, and it comes in a box about this wide by that high, and it's self-assembly, but the assembly is pretty easy to do. The instructions are pretty straightforward. Retails for $500 for a queen, and why don't I just kind of show you underneath here. You'll see that it rests on these slats, and all the slats, they're cut into the base of the bed, and then they just rest right in here. So it's pretty easy to put together, and conversely it's really easy to take apart. So if you move a lot and you need to take your furniture with you, this is something that you can break down pretty quickly and then reassemble. So it's not clunky or anything like that, and it looks great for $500. It just really completes the look of the bedroom. Works perfectly with the Lull mattress as well. So again, this is my 2018 review of the Lull. Great mattress, definitely one to check out. It should be in your top lists of memory foam mattresses at the end of the day, because you could spend years trying all these with their free trials, but I would just cut to the chase and add Lull to the short list. So more information about this mattress and how it stacks up can be found on sleepsherpa.com.